basically accustomed to having Jeff around all the time. Ever since we're married, we've been together. I mean, granted, we were long distance for some time before we've been married, but ever since we've been married, you know, we've been together. And with him being away, it's really made things so much harder. Not having him around all the time makes these moments the most exciting, the ones I look forward to the most, where I get to go fly out to Dallas to spend time with Jeff. I mean, we talk on the phone, but that never compares to that embrace and just that presence. You know, it just makes a world of a difference of just having him there with me, beside me.
So actually, before we get carried away, because you know we're going to get carried away with everything else.
Yeah.
My patients, they're really sweet. Some of them always have a story to share. Especially when it's like in the beginning stages, you want to take your time and like talk to them, get to know them. And like I like for them to know that I care. I'm really thankful that I at least have patients that show up. Like you have some people who are doing really well, but so much of it is by chance. Because it's like only so much you can do. And I'm just like, Lord, I'm just going to trust you because you know. It's rough, but I'm just counting down. It's almost over. I am excited about third year because this is where everything that we've been struggling through the first 2 years gets put into practice. Almost every day, I'm given the opportunity to interact with patients. I am actually going through, talking to them, getting to know them. It really is exciting to be on clinics, to be collaborating more with our attendings and other dentists that we probably didn't get to work with in the class setting. My favorite memory from third year was when a follow-up visit for one of my patients, my dearly beloved patients, who I had just delivered dentures for. The last appointment we had, she was telling us how she was gonna go to a party with her husband and friends, and so she was kind of like anxious about, you know, the dentures and, you know, them fitting well and all of that. So for that follow-up visit, I was like, so how was it? And she was like, oh my goodness. She was like, you know, my husband was trying to take pictures of me, and he was like, smile. And I was like, I am smiling. He's like, no, smile for real. And she's like, oh my gosh, yes, you're right. Like, I forgot how to smile. And I was like, I literally almost cried when she said that, knowing that I played a part in it. I was just so blessed. The excitement of becoming a dentist is just increasing more. The joys of just being equipped with the skills to serve is just amazing. It kind of makes me realize the work in the first 2 years was worth it. You definitely realize every mouth is not like the typodont, you know, which they warn us, you know, but none of it is anything that we have not been prepared for. Third year has added to my resilience. It has taught me to be patient with myself, to not get frustrated. I'm just glad I made it. My proudest accomplishment is just making it through third year as a dental student, as a wife, because honestly, there were many points where I thought I was, yeah. Yeah. I'm just glad that I made it.